Alright, let's see if I can get this recorded. This is my Fe3 swap, and it's still on start, so I'm going to try to do a video. Maybe y'all can help me out from here. Let's see, I've got power going to my ECU, power going to the truck, power to my OBD2 plug, and power to the park neutral input, since this is a automatic ECU. Got my grounds done there. It's grounded there, down there on the chassis, and on the passenger side motor mount. Right now, without cranking it, fuel status open, engine coolant temp 64, engine speed 0, ignition timing advance -62, which is something I still have not been able to figure out and correct. Give it a few minutes to catch up. Throttle position is at 11%. I do not have power going to my O2 sensors yet. And you can see throttle position is 144.2. Engine coolant temp is 307.8. Of course, it just changed on me. Intake air temp is 4.8, and mass airflow is 33. Down here, I don't know if you can make it out or not. See if I can figure this. You see I have my crank position sensor down there. I've been able to move it down slightly, but short of cutting that spacer off that I had made and completely re-drilling a hole or going and getting a Kia section of trans, I don't know what to do with it. Give her a crank and see what she does. I'm going to bring it up to where you can see that ignition timing. There we go. Ignition timing event, cylinder 1. Y'all have to excuse this if it's a really crappy video. You see it's at -62 degrees. I'm going to provide power to the starter, crank it over. You can watch it never changes from 62 degrees. Watch my RPMs, they jump from 2,000 to 8,000. Back up here and go and see what codes it popped. My scan tool will cooperate with me. There we go. We got ignition coil 1 abnormal and serial communication error timeout. The serial communication error I think has to do with the OBD2 port, but I have to look it up and see. Anyway, so you got to hear it crank. Let me know what y'all think.